We heard Trader Joe's has kebab. Literally ran to buy it.
There's none left.
You got an employee to look for it. Look at Ava right now.
Patiently waiting.
So we're out until tomorrow. Sorry.
Day 2, trying again.
Sold out again. Third day is the charm.
One for me, one for my husband. Here we go. Let's try it out. Okay, here. I've never had tofu kimbap in my life, believe it or not.
Forming our thoughts.
What do you think?
I think there's a lot of flavor. The inside is really good. My problem is I don't think you should be heating up kimbap.
Yeah, I've never had hot
It
kimbap.
shouldn't be hot, and probably because of that, the rice is like all mushy. Mushy rice is like Asian person's worst nightmare. Is that
Yes.
not true?
We
or
don't like
what?
mushy rice.
But the inside, whatever the tofu, a lot of
flavorful.
really good flavor. The insides are good.